Alright, so we are headed out to the pier in Panama City. Supposedly they have, how many boats? Is it one or two?
I think it might be two.
Yeah, they have like two boats. They're supposed to be identical replicas or, you know, originals of Christopher Columbus's boats. What is it? What are the names?
I don't remember.
I don't remember. Yeah, there's two of them. But anyway, we'll get the names later. But yeah, that's what we're doing.
Me to call out my name. Call out my name when I kiss you so gently. I want you to stay.
Alright, we are here. The boats are just over there. I'm getting some spare batteries just in case I need them. Yeah, so oh yeah, did we figure out the names of those
No.
boats? What are they? I thought it was the
Ithaca or something. Something.
Pina? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, those are the boats over there, and yeah, we're gonna go and get a tour.
Girl, why can't you wait to pull out another one? Call out my name. Girl, call out my name.
Yeah, so I looked up the names. It's one of them's the Nina and the other one's the Pinta. I gotta look it up because one of them, can't remember the name exactly, but one of them is off the coast of Haiti, actually, like the original ship that was sunk during one of the voyages over here. I forget which one it is. It might be one of these two, but I have to look it up. Look at that, man. Those things are pretty legit. It's just so cool.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, so this one's the Nina. Look at this. Anna,
Keep in mind, this
what do
is
you
the
think?
world's most authentic replica ever made to this day.
World's most?
No power tools used to build it whatsoever. You'll see the joints here held together with wooden pegs, all that stuff, handmade. Wooden pegs, dowels, hand saws, chisels, all that stuff. This ship took 32 months to complete down in Brazil. And it has a
Down in Brazil?
whenever it retires.
Oh, wow.
Now, this one's the world's most authentic due to how it's built. One of our founders was a naval historian working for the Peace Corps in the early 80s. Came across a little village that didn't even have electricity. And saw that these shipwrights were building the local fishermen smaller fishing vessels entirely by hand. No power tools whatsoever. Recognizing that as a naval historian, he got together with two other historians back in the States, dug through the Spanish archives for about 5 years, and then got, after enough research, made a blueprint of the Nina for them to build. Commissioned those guys down in Brazil to build them. 500 trees later, 32 months, they got the Nina.
Wow.
In 91, right before the 500-year anniversary.
Wow, this thing is
One of my
amazing.
It was her first time on the boat.
Look at this. This is
Here,
apparently.
14-foot seas off the front of the board. I wasn't on it.
I don't know if you can see that.
And she was one of the only
There it
ones
is, there it
not
is.
besides Gary.
Look at that.
We're all going to
Yeah. So it was built with no modern tools. Everything was built originally. Look at that. This is amazing. This is one of the best. This is one of the best things I've ever seen. So that's the rudder system. Apparently this thing's 1,500 pounds. Doesn't look that heavy. I have been calling this thing the rudder, but in fact it's called the tiller. My mistake. This thing is insane. I'm gonna have to try and shoot some B-roll on this thing. Let's see how it goes.
So call out my name. Call out my name when I kiss you so gently. I want you to stay. I want you to
back
That
of
one
it.
was pretty much insane. Now we're going over to the other one. That's that. Yeah, that's that rudder. It's hard to believe they crossed the ocean in that thing. What's this one? This is the pinta. Look at this. Yeah, these are just some models they have here. There's another one on this side. It's pretty neat. So this is a map of where they've sailed this thing. They went all the way to Mississippi. They brought this thing just about everywhere. Wow. So this rudder is, I think you said 1,800 pounds? It's insane. Here we go. That's actually an original piece of pottery. I don't know if you can see that very well. That's pretty cool. And look at this. These are all the names of the crew. Look at this. This is a legitimate cannon. It's meant for signaling other ships. It's not very big, but it's a cannon. Alright, so this thing on the deck here is called the coffin, apparently. This is where they would keep all their secret stuff safe from the crew. Yeah, maybe like all their charts. Yeah. Charts and among other things, but yeah, that's where they keep it. This thing is, making sure I'm on right zoom. This thing is amazing.
Smile.
There's so much here to see, and these things actually, people actually sail these like right now. This the other boat over there, that one came from South America. And this one was up in like Detroit area or something. Yeah. There's a lot.
Call out my name when I kiss you so gently. I want you to stay. I want you to stay. But you don't want me.
Alright, so we're on the...
It does, yeah.
Let's take a look at the back on this one. This one's much bigger than the other one. All that rigging. Look at that.
And you have to know every single rope.
It's insane. Truly insane. I can't believe people actually sailed on these. Actually, they sail on these. Like, right now. This, it's amazing. What'd you think?
So much history on that boat. That was really cool.
It's cool.
We should get a...
Yeah, that was pretty good. It's something amazing. Can't believe I didn't know about those things.
There's a sign, caution, uneven boards.
Yeah, uneven boards. Yeah, this deck is pretty old. All right, so that'll about do it. That was a nice little tour of those two boats. That was never seen anything like that before. It's pretty cool. But they sail all over the country doing just that. They just do tours. It's pretty cool. Wow. What do you think? Last thoughts? Final
Amazing.
thoughts?
Awesome.
Amazing.
Something that you need to see.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep, you got to see it. Thumbs up. So we will see you later.